2004 SL600 V12 twin turbo, changing the Pulsation damper. Here is the part number right there. Here's the old one. I just swapped it out. You will have to leave this in, so don't take it off. So what I did is I took the wheel off. I loosened the wheel arch cover, the fender liner, and it's mostly the bottom piece that you'll need to access. You'll only need this to hold it down so it doesn't move, this whole unit here, because it's going to move a lot because it's on rubber bushings. So as you're going to try to take the new one off, the old one off, it's going to move a lot, this whole assembly here. See, I can move it with my finger. So I used the 24 millimeter wrench. Maybe you could get away with an adjustable wrench, but I'm not sure. Obviously it's gonna go on like that, like this, and you know, it's the regular thread, so righty tighty, lefty loosey. So the way I did it, it was really tight. The way I did it was I used a rag. I kind of put it around my hands so they don't scrape against the fender, the metal fender, and I held it down like so. This whole unit, I held it down like that, and then with my other hand I untightened the old damper. It was really quite tight, and obviously you'll need to get this off, and for that you'll need, what size is this? T25 Torx. There's going to be 2 screws here, so this comes off really easily. And yeah, that's basically it. Nothing's gonna happen when you take the old one off. It's really simple. Just take the old one off, put the new one in. Obviously make sure your new one has the O-ring and this plastic piece here. And that's pretty much it. As far as bleeding goes, as far as I know, there's no real bleeding that needs to be done. You can raise and lower the car a few times, but it will self-bleed as you drive it. But even then, I think so little air gets in when this is done that it's very, very minimum. I mean, I placed the rag under here, but some fluid came out, but it's a very small amount. And that's basically it. Good luck.